You are getting impression and click to your gig but still not getting orders. So maybe your gig description needs some sort of improvement that helps you convince them to buy services from you. So the theme of the video is checklist of the appealing gig description so that you get order easily. Watch the whole video and in last if you find video helpful so you can subscribe to College Hustler. Let's start. These are 8 checklists that you should meet to rank your gig higher. First, catchy title, warm greeting, precise intro, clearly describe your offerings, what problem you can solve, why me over competition, give reference to custom offer and portfolio link, and note with appealing CTA. So, now discussing one by one. First, catchy title, start your gig description with title itself. It is important from SEO point of view. This boosts your gig ranking also. Like this. Warm greeting. In the start of any conversation, greeting is so important. Same as here is like you are talking to buyer. So start with hi or hello, welcome to your gigs. Like this. Third, precise intro means in this section introduce yourself in minimum word and talk about your skills and experience if you have. Otherwise, skip the experience part. There are some examples of precise intro, you can check out this. Briefly describe your offerings in this section. Give briefing of your basics, standard and premium package. Try to put out in bullet points. It increases the visual experience. Here is some example of that you can check out. Examples is on your screen. What problem you can solve in this section? You talk about how you can solve their problems, how your services is relevant to them. Examples is on your screen. Why me over competition? In this section, write your unique quality over others. Here you describe your quality and accountability. Example is on your screen. Give reference to custom offer and portfolio link. Sometimes the buyers want a custom offer from us, so please mention this by own like this. Here is some examples. And in Fiverr, you can upload only 5 works, 3 in images section and 2 are PDFs. And also video. It may be little difficult to impress buyer by your works. So create a portfolio website where you add all your previous works and give link of website in description. So you can check out my videos on portfolio building website. Link is given in I button and description box also. Here is the examples like this. And last checklist point is end note with appealing CTA. After discussing all this, you put some call to action to persuade them for messaging. Like here is some example. You can take ideas from that. That's all. I think this video is helpful for you, so hit the like button. Please make sure to subscribe College Hustler for more valuable content. Let me know in comment if you need a full writing gig description video. So start hustling.